Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to see how to prepare P chart and NP chart in Minitab software. For that, we are going to use one of the example that we already solved, and this is the question. So in this question, we have total 30 samples are given, and number of non-conforming cans is also given, and subgroup size n is equal to 50 is given in the question. Solution of this question in this link here on YouTube, or you can directly search with this title. So this is the first part of the question, and here we have to prepare the P chart, and this is the second part of the question, and here we have to prepare NP control chart. So now we are going to see how to prepare control chart, P chart in Minitab software. For that, simply first you have to write all this 3 number of non-conforming cans in the Minitab. So you have this is the Minitab, and here I write all the 30 number of non-conforming cans data D. After that, you go to the state control chart and attribute control chart and select the P chart, and here you have to select the variable, and here the variable is number of non-conforming, and so I simply double click here, and subgroup size 50 is given in the question, so we write 50, then simply click OK. It will take some time. So this is the P chart, you can zoom it. P chart for number of non-conforming cans, and here you can see that this is the central line. P bar is equal to 0.2313, upper control limit is equal to 0.4102, and the lower control limit is equal to 0.0524, and on x-axis you can see the total 30 samples, and here you can also see that the sample number 15 and 23, 15 number sample, 23rd number samples are above the upper control limit, so the process is out of control, and the same result we get when we numerically control this. We get upper control limit is 0.4102, P bar, that is central line, is equal to 0.2313, and lower control limit is equal to 0.0524, and on y-axis you can see the sample fraction non-conforming, that is P cap, and on x-axis you can see the total 30 samples. Now we are going to prepare the NP chart. Go to control chart, attribute control chart, and select the NP chart, and here also first you have to select the variable, then this is our variable, select variable first, number of non-conforming can, then the subgroup size is 50 is given in the question, and simply click OK. So this is the NP chart for number of non-conforming cans, and here you can see the center line is equal to NP bar is equal to 11.57, upper control limit is equal to 20.51, and lower control limit is equal to 2.62, and here also you can see that the test failed at the point 15 and 23, that is the sample number 23 and 15 are above the upper control limit, so we can say that process is not in control. You can simply zoom it also, increase the size, and here you can check that the same result we can get from the when we solve the numerically this question. Same value we get lower control limit, upper control limit, and the center line. So here the final process, that how you can prepare the P chart and NP chart in Minitab software. Then first you have to write the total 30 or whatever the sample you have given. Here we have given 30 samples, so we write here 30 samples, number of non-conforming cans for the 30 samples. Here you can see. Then go to the state and select control chart, and in control chart select the attribute control chart and select p chart or np chart, whatever you have to prepare. Then here you have to put the variable, and here we have to write the subgroup size. Here the subgroup size is given 50, and then simply click here OK.